Hey guys, today we have fabric markers here. As you can see, there's 26 markers in total. They're actually very fine print. They can be used on clothes, fabric, shoes, anything that has basically fabric on it, you can actually use these on. And they are permanent, so you'll be able to have it on washing machines and everything. They'll still be visible. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So from what it looks like, they actually are kind of small markers, so you can actually put more detail into them. They are dual tip, which is a pretty cool thing to have a bigger and smaller tip size to be able to fill in more size or to have a more finer print. So we have all the colors basically of the rainbow, to purple to all the way to black, white, and blue, green, everything colors you can imagine. The tips on each marker are bold tip, and then we got like a shovel tip. So then you can actually have a different kind of effect on these outcomes. But yeah, here are all the markers. These are really small and easy to actually have portable, so you can actually put them in a bag and just ready on the go. These are perfect for people who love to paint on stuff but don't really know what kind of markers to use, especially for paint markers that are actually able to stick on fabric. These are perfect for that. So these are just nice to have in case you do want to decorate some shoes for an event, party, or just to have for fun. Let's test these out and see how they work.
We did a lot of markers on this one, all right, fabric markers, and it came out really good. I mean, you put it together, markers with the paint, really good. So if you guys are looking for a set of markers to finish your shoe designs, your wear, I hope you guys enjoy this video.